Every comrade who is in Nairobi, every comrade who is looking at us, you must register as a voter. You must register as a voter so that in the end, we have here Stephen Kalonzo, Musyoka. Is the juice not worth the squeeze? Is the juice not worth the squeeze? You know, in 2020, people turned out from in the United States of America. When Trump was serving his first term, they didn't go to vote in Biden. They went to vote out Trump. In 2020, in 2002 in Kenya, people went to vote out Moi. They did not go to vote in Kibaki. In 2027, Kalonzo ametosha Tosha. Kama alikuwa Azimio, Kalonzo alikuwa mzuri. Saizi kama Kalonzo ako opposition, sasa Kalonzo ni mbaya. Kalonzo amekosa nini so far? Amekosa nini so far? Ati tukisema pia Kalonzo tosha, ati Babu ni mbaya. Mbaya what? Comrades, will you accept this? Huyu Stephen Kalonzo